Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. Hope everybody is doing great out there. I'm back. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Now, this particular analysis is the GBP NZD currency pair weekly, of course, daily top-down analysis. And it's straightforward. It's straightforward. Basically, what I do as a trader, I basically allow the charts to tell me what to do because I'm technical. Many traders trade technical and a lot of traders trade fundamentals. Now, that being said, this particular time frame is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, if you're looking at structure itself, this market is basically nearing or in an area of resistance. All right, it's an actual area itself. So what I'm going to do, I am going to, well, historical resistance. So what I'll do, let me insert, because I know I have the lines on the screen, but I like to, because it's the actual area. All right. Now, as you can see, take a look. When you look to the left, you got multiple touches. You got one area here. Of course, this is multiple areas in the market where it tried to break above this level, all right, and it failed to do so, and it did, but then it came back down, all right, and now it's right back up to this level again. Now, of course, we all know that the market has a mind of her own, all right, it has a mind of her own, and she could do whatever she would like to do because she is the market. Now, we as retail traders, our job is to just follow the leader, follow the big banks as they push the market in the direction that they normally do. They push the market up, so we wait for confirmation based off of our technical analysis, and we do what we have to do. Now, this market, like I said, I personally, by looking at this market, I see a sell as eminent. I see an eminent sell. All right. But like I said, market could very well push up, touch the same area, or it can react right now like it's doing as expected because sellers are saying, you know what, this is an area of historical resistance, and we see that the sellers normally step in here, all right, and buyers lose confidence in the market move, and they say, boy, we ain't really, we can take our profits and get out of here, all right. So that's why you have the doji looking candle sitting at an area of resistance. All right. So this is showing you there is an eminent sell on the way. Now, how long will it sell for? Nobody knows. But of course, if you're going to short this market, you have this, you got this first level. You're very conservative right here. You're a very conservative level of support. And then of course you have this right here. This is another area as well. And then you just keep dropping where you see right here again, right here, sorry, right here, like I said, right here, the area itself, like, so the market could actually um be shorted, right? But you gotta wait for confirmation. Now today, the daily time frame, well, last trading day, because now we are actually in the new trading day. It is 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what I'm going to show you, well, before I show you that, let me zoom out. All right, and just show you. See, I want you to see. I want you to see something. I want you to see something. Look here. You have. Let me. Oh, I got extend. Oh, good. Now I can actually extend this rectangle all the way across just to show you. Now, when you look at this market from the higher time frame perspective, even in the monthly, you can see that the trajectory of the market is actually heading up, because the market is making higher highs and higher lows, right? It's making higher highs and higher lows, definitely lower highs for sure. As you can see, look, as you can see, it is making higher lows. So the market is trending upward somewhat, right? But there are areas in the market where you can get in for sales. Now, I drew my rectangle across, and I inserted my rectangle across to show you where the market actually came up to this area and it actually was unable to go any further. Like, for example, this market wicked out here, all right? There was some buying pressure because see you had this candle, you had the buyers came in and then big drop, all right? Failed to push up, you have that one. That's one. You have this area here. Sometime in 2018, we're talking about historically now. The seller said, "Nope, we're not going. You're not going to go any further." So the market came up to this level, reacted off of this level, and dropped. All right. Then it came back up again in 2019, wicked out again, and failed to push up. But then it broke, came down, and the buyers then took the market, and the market is currently at the very level, the same level again. So this is why the move is now signaling sell, sell, sell. All right. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that on the weekly. Now, let's look at the daily time frame. Because all it is that you're selling at resistance and buying at support. That's what trading is in essence. Now look, I want you to see this right here. Look right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that candle right there. This was yesterday. All right, this was yesterday. Yesterday's trading day. When I said yesterday, I'm talking about when 5 o'clock came. This was the candle this was the closure of the candle. There is no push up. There is actually no push up because the buyers are losing confidence. All right. And if you know anything about the GBP/NZD pair, if you study the movement of GBP/NZD, it trends for a long period of time. So when you see these strong levels are reacted off of, you're going to have a couple of days, maybe even a couple of weeks of movement. Now, I'm not saying that this market is, once it starts, because the market has to come down eventually. This market will not continue up into infinity because, no, that's not how the market works. But I tell you one thing, once the consensus is that the market is going to go in a downward trajectory, then, hey, it's going to go down for a long time. And then if you're a smart trader, what you would want to do is scale your account on the way down or when the market is going up and you know that the market, because then there you will know, based on the trend, based just like how this was see this trend, look at it, look all of the days of buying pressure. You could have scaled your account from way down here if you had gotten in way down here. You pull out your trend line and you just watch the market, respect the trend line, and you ride the market up and scale your account all the way up. All right. So let me sorry about that. Okay. I just want to go a little bigger so y'all could see what's happening. One second. Right. See? Indecision at the area of possible resistance. Like I said, the market could very well push up for a little while, maybe hit, maybe even hit this. But this candle is very significant because it's saying that boy, we're not going to buy any further. All right. So that being said, selling is imminent. So thank you very much for your time, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because I love it when you do that. It encourages me to keep on coming back and bringing those videos. All right. You guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful trading week. God bless.